everyone, my name is Warner Chaves and welcome to Snowflake Cloud Data Platform Getting Started. I'm a Microsoft Data Platform MVP and Principal Consultant at Pythian. In this course, we're going to begin your Snowflake journey by getting you familiar with all the main concepts, tools, and commands necessary to jump into using this very popular multi-cloud data platform. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the uniqueness of Snowflake's data platform and multi-cloud approach, importing and exporting data with different tools and integrating with cloud storage, querying Snowflake with the native web portal or using a third-party tool such as Microsoft's Power BI. And of course, we're going to have advice, tips, and tricks so you start your Snowflake journey on the right foot. By the end of this course, you will understand the main concepts of Snowflake, put them into practice, and will be proficient at using both the command line tools and the web portal. I hope you'll join me on this journey to kickstart your Snowflake expertise with the Snowflake Cloud Data Platform Getting Started course here at Pluralsight.